Okay, so today we are not working on Tyrsky, but we're doing something with Väinö, and here's Väinö's captain Silkki.
Hello.
And we are going to the barn where our boats are, and we are working with the cabin wall. Is it?
Yeah, basically removing the old wall.
Yeah, and then we are trying to figure out how to repair a piece of Väinö, and we'll get to know Väinö also a bit better during this episode. So let's get going and let's start working. So here we are, and here's the project at hand. So that part of the wall has gotten a little bit of rot in it, and today we are going to remove the old part
From here to here.
Yeah,
Rest of the wall.
and then we're gonna start thinking how we're gonna repair it. But Silkki, tell me something about Väinö. When was it made? And
It was made at 83. I remember. I've owned it 3 years now. So basically that's it. In Suortti.
yeah, the Väinö is also made in Summa, just like Tyrsky is. So they are from the same neighborhood.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Cousins basically.
Yeah. Väinö is it's 9 meters long, so that translates into something like 30 feet. And it's very similar. The hull shape is pretty much the same as Tyrsky, so it's a displacement hull, and it's a double-ender type of a boat also.
The engine is quite old. 67-year Perkins.
Yeah, it was 49 horsepower.
Yeah.
But it still runs good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, still in the future also.
Yeah. But now we're gonna start working on the wall. So. All right, we got the project pretty much done, or at least what we said that we would do. So we got the wall panel removed, and we also cleaned up the grooves, or what is it? Is it a groove? Well, the thing that where you put the stuff and things like that. But yeah, everything. All the old stuff has been removed now, and next phase is to start looking for right kind of pine for the new stuff. So that's it.
Vittu, toi ei ole ehkä hyvä tuo. No, tää alareuna me varmaan jyrsetään, katsotaanko. Yläreunasta on ihan varma vielä.
Yeah, Silkki has been busy. We just removed the old one, and now there's already a new wall over there. You see, this wood is quite nice. We got it from a local sawmill that is specialized in this quarterly sawn pine, so yeah, you just can't buy the wood for these boats from the hardware store, but you need special kind of wood, and it's always nice that there's some local guy who's doing it. So if you're a boat owner from this eastern Finland area, contact Sunojan Saha for your timber needs. So it's quite rare to have those sawmills, so use them if you can. So the quarterly sawn means that the wood goes in this direction, and for example the regularly sawn stuff, I think, well, for example, you can see here that the wood goes in this direction. So it is remarkably easier to work on this stuff, and it lasts the humidity much better. Okay, another week has passed and Mr. Silk has almost accomplished his task at hand, and it looks quite good, doesn't it?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. Good work.
So now he's using the impregnating oil to fill the wood with it, so it will last for another 10 or 20 or 30 years with it. So the wood looks a bit too light at the moment, but it's gonna take a year or two before the pine gets the same reddish color as the old pine has. And for example, in my boat, where the cabin is made of mahogany, it's just the opposite, because when it gets a lot of sunlight, it gets lighter and it gets this yellowish color. And I had this one spot where the varnish had gotten some moist under it, and it was bubbling out, so I had to take the varnish away and start working with new ones. So the mahogany it's reddish when it's just sanded and oiled and varnished, and it's gonna take a few years before it gets the same color as the rest of the boat. So yeah, yep.